Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Is it time to bail on crypto? Sell all your Bitcoin before a massive crash hits and the whole financial system restructures? With gold skyrocketing, the dollar tanking, silver exploding, geopolitics heating up, and macroeconomics looking shaky, it might feel like the end is near. But hold on. I'm here to break it down with insights from our trading AI and analytics team. We'll look at charts, news, and my personal bets with millions on the line. Watch till the end. I'll share speculations and help you decide. Let's jump in constructively. First off, charts. Honestly, they're kind of irrelevant right now for big picture moves. Ethereum's stuck between 2,700 and 3,100. Would love to see it hit 3,100, but we're range bound. Bitcoin's holding this key historical support around that old resistance turn floor. Main overhead is 91,000, but if we break below this support, could get ugly. That's why I'm zooming out to show potential triggers. Quick update on my trade from the last video. Logic holds. Using BitsGap's combo DCA bot, it's like a grid bot on steroids. With my investment size, it's pulled nice profits, catching longs here and booking gains there. Paid on BitsGap, but free if you trade on EVEX. Links below. Sign up on EVEX for 10% extra cash back on fees. EVEX is a decentralized futures exchange on Arbitrum, Ethereum Layer 2. Anonymous, self-custodial, no hot wallets. If EVEX vanishes, your assets are safe on-chain. Safer than CEXS, full control. Future of trading, folks. Check out their bots. Now news, FOMC decision. Rates unchanged as expected. No hikes or cuts. Powell stays hawkish. Market sees maybe one or two cuts this year. Rates stay sky high, which America can't afford. Trump's tariffs, they're inflating everything, weakening the dollar, sparking bond sell-offs, and risking shutdowns. Uncertainties through the roof, so Fed's pausing. Problem, high rates crush the economy. Silver lining, Powell's out in May. New chair might loosen policy, print money. But yesterday's FOMC, all bad vibes. Look at gold and silver. Gold at 5,300, silver pushing 120. Insane rallies. Not a commodity supercycle, it's a dollar breakdown. USD index is crumbling, heading toward 2021 lows. But dig deeper, last big dollar drop? Pre-COVID, then money printing during the pandemic actually strengthened it amid chaos. So printing can boost USD short-term. Tons of doom now. But remember, extreme fear often signals buys in crypto. Stocks crashed 60% last major debt scare. Bonds? Treasury yields spiking. No one's buying the bluff. US can't repay 40 trillion debt. For decades, treasuries were risk-free. Now, zero trust. People fleeing fiat, stocks, high-risk assets into metals, not for speculation, but escape. But why isn't Bitcoin mooning as digital gold? Hold that thought. We use AI for trading, investments, portfolio structuring, beats average results long-term. Join my free 5-day Make Money in Digital 2.0 challenge starting February 1st. Link below. Learn market analysis, AI in crypto/global markets, portfolio management, trading edges, WhatsApp group for updates, 2 hours daily, epic sprint. Register now. Warren Buffett echoes Ray Dalio on currency debasement. Don't hold dollars going to hell. Governments naturally inflate currencies away. But ironic, Buffett's hoarding record cash. USD's global reserve share? Lowest this century. Nations dumping it amid geopolitics. So alternatives? Stocks risky, gold/silver at highs, upside limited. Real estate yields negative post-inflation. Leaves Bitcoin, but it's stagnant, right? People rage quitting. Key fact, Bitcoin just tagged its 12-year trend line. Rare touch, often exhausts downside. Last time, structure held, then 400% pump. We're at major support, don't ignore. Conspiracy time, gold/silver up huge with global liquidity, but BTC flatlines. Silver's 3 to 4 times recently, Takes way more capital to move metals than tiny BTC. Theory, not just uncertainty, institutions slash governments, even US slash Trump, pumping what they hold to monetize. Pump gold slash silver, dump reserves at peaks, say gold to 6,000, silver 140, then rotate to undervalued BTC. BTC is too small now for big players to close deficits. Needs 50 to 100 times growth. But fundamentals. Superior. Self-custody, sovereignty, fixed supply beats gold. They start with metals for max profit, then shift to BTC. Conclusion. Can't pinpoint exact bottom, but BTC's time is coming. Lower prices? Better buys. Way more upside than ATH gold slash silver. Dumping crypto now into dying dollar or peaked metals? Dumb. Solves real problems unchanged by this dip. Undervalued gem. I'll buy more if it drops, ditching dollars. That's our AI-powered take. Join the February 1st challenge for hands-on AI trading tools, free link below. Trade safe on EVEX, tutorial popping up. This is educational, not advice. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. See you next time.